it's stretched way out. So it's the word shu, shoo, so you got some vibrating ability in your ears. As you're doing this, you're also causing the fascia, the musculature, to rotate, to twine and spiral. And this is massaging the internal organs, the spine, all the joints, bathed in the synovial fluid, increasing the flow of cerebral spinal fluid, and it's a very powerful liver exercise. So we begin the hands at the sides, and I'm going to sink just a hair. And as I rise up, I'm going to turn the torso first. As you reach furthest out, look at the tips of your fingers, the index finger and the middle finger. Now from here, reach just a hair, an eighth of an inch further, and sink to the other side. Keep the teeth close together. Sink in. Very nice. Now we're going to make the heart sound, and the heart sound is easy because you just have to think of Santa Claus and ho, ho, ho. The sound is ho or ha. It's a that matters. And it's ho. You can feel it. Ho. You can feel that vibration. As though we're standing on a lake full of glowing chi, we're going to relax forward just a little bit and scoop up. Let your back open up. Inhale as you bring that chi. Feel the vibration, the warmth, the energy. Ho. Then, handful of chi. Inhale. Ho. 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 This is 5. Ho. Ho. You'll notice we're engaging the heart acupuncture points as we do this twining and spiraling. So from here we're going to go to the stomach and the spleen, right here. The color is deep yellow like lemon. The sound is hoo, hoo, like who's in charge here. Well, I got to take it to a Who concert. So this is the only one where the hands actually move toward the body as you make the sound. So we're going to go into the crane posture for a moment. Pause and feel the vibration, feel the warmth, feel the energy in your hands. Sink a little bit. And as you rise upward, gathering in chi. So you're actually doing this on the rise this time. This is 5. By the way, in case I didn't mention it, the 6 healing sounds are done 6 times each. Unless you want to pay particular attention to one area. So you do it in sequence, but you can do more time if you wish. Of course. From there, of course, we go to the lung sound. And the sound from the lungs is, I turn the vibrate. You'll feel it here. And we begin by reaching out, pulling chi in so the center of the palm comes to the shoulder's nest. Then we pull the hands back, pinch the shoulder blades together very slightly, very gently. Head tilts back as you sink. Now reach out, open up your back. Inhale as you pull chi in. You got. This is number 4. Feel the vibration, the energy coming into the lung meridian. And one more time. Very nice. That was the lung meridian. Now we're going to do the kidney meridian, and we're going to focus our attention here. And this very much, along with the liver exercise, focuses on earth energy. So we're going to begin as though gathering chi up right out of the earth, like so, holding chi in the hands. And then we're going to let them fill up with chi and energy and let them slide back. So the centers of the palms press at the kidneys and the fingertips touch at the ring finger. And then we're going to sink down body first, and then the hands slide down to the back of the leg, all the way down to the back of the knee, like so. So the sound is shui. I'm going to shui this way and shui that way. Shui. 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 This is number 4. Shui. 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 And finally, we're going to do a sound for the what they call the triple warmer, the lower, middle, and upper dantian. And triple warmer is really the effect caused by the 3 in alignment. But we're aligning those 3 major points and creating a chi field, a wu chi field. So we begin by bringing the hands up until we get to heart level. Then the elbows are hinges as the hands turn outward, slightly cupped. We're going to sink slightly and look skyward, gathering universal chi into the heart meridian. As we rise upward again, we're going to bring the hands back to heart level. Chi. And so, inhaling, hands back to back, opening up, gathering universal chi. Hands come together. Chi.